Actually, yesterday I was avoiding snow cause freezing to death is not an everyday thing. So I went out to take a walk through my city with the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. You are watching MAURO'S films and let's have a look what I came up this time. The shots that you will see in the following videos made with the DJI OSMO Mobile 2 look really clean and also some kind of cinematic. Select your Hyperlapse mode and leave it to 0.5. Don't limit the time cause you don't know when you will exactly came to the other side of the shot. You will just press the end record when needed. Select your desired tracking object, for me is the town clock tower, and start walking. Let's have a look. Really dope. The other way is just to start walk to a building or object by selecting a part of it. It will track the object and tilt the cam to get an interesting pass-through reveal. You don't have to make a hyperlapse if you are in the tight short space. You can just press record and then in post speed up the clip. I made some example shots, so let's have a look. The third way is just recording and passing over objects. Let's have a look. This take is my favorite one and is the well-known cinematic reveal shot. The best way to do that is to slow down the responsiveness of the joystick or turn off the pitch lock. So when you do this, the cam will follow. And another great way is to have fun of yourself. You can pass behind objects that don't obstruct totally the tracking of the main object, like trees, branches and other stuff, and the shots will look way better. And don't forget to walk like a cat if you want the smoothest video possible. Thanks again guys for watching this inspirative tutorial for the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. Give me a really big thumbs up if you like this video and also subscribe for more, and until the next time, have a really nice day.